Hey, it's Ilse. I'm really excited to be coming to Amsterdam in November to run a one-day workshop for Irish Cello. If you're curious about learning Irish Cello or want to have a fun day learning new tunes with other cellists, then come along. We'll work on slides and polkas and learn how to play them in a stylistically authentic manner. We'll learn a slow air and look at how we can create our own arrangements of Irish music. We'll explore ornamentation, bowing, and work on getting your bowing really relaxed and loose in the traditional style. Basically, a day to play the cello, learn loads, and have fun. Hope to see you there in Amsterdam. Come and join us. You'll really enjoy yourself, and I so look forward to meeting you.
If you get the chance, come and do an Irish music course with Ilse.